Topic: HCF of two numbers. Objective: to find the HCF of two numbers experimentally based on Euclid's division lemma. Previous knowledge required: basic concept of HCF, Euclid's division lemma. Materials required: cardboard sheets, glazed papers of different colors, a pair of scissors, geometry box, sketch pens, Fevicol. Preparation or presentation for the activity: take cardboard sheets of suitable length. Cut out one strip of length A units, another strip of length B units, such that B is lesser than A. Cut out two strips of length C units, such that C is lesser than B. One strip of length D units, such that D is lesser than C. And two strips each of length E units, such that E is lesser than D. Paste these strips on different colored glazed papers. Place these strips on other cardboard. Observations: according to Euclid's division lemma, this represents A equals B into 1 plus C, that is, Q equals 1 and R equals C. This represents B equals C into 2 plus D, that is, Q equals 2 and R equals D. This represents C equals D into 1 plus E, that is, Q equals 1 and R equals E. This represents D equals E into 2 plus 0, that is, Q equals 2 and R equals 0. Using assumptions in Euclid's division algorithm, we have HCF of A and B is equal to HCF of B and C is equal to HCF of C and D is equal to HCF of D and E. The HCF of D and E is equal to E. Look at the fourth observation above. Thus, HCF of A and B is E. Result: the process shown above can be used for finding the HCF of two or more numbers. This process is known as finding HCF of numbers by division method.